In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to share Google Drive link without edit. So first of all, you have to open your Google Drive app. So now let's say I have to share this file link. So you have to click on these three dots. After that, you have to click on this share option here. Now you will see this interface. So here you have to click on this option. Now you will see this interface in your screen. Here you have to click on this option. Now you have to click viewer option. So now again you have to click here this link, and you will see bottom copy link option. You have to click this copy link option and copy this file link, and then whenever you share this file link to your friend can able to view this file but not be able to edit. So that's how you can do this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.